Hi everyone. Let's take a short break from our pivot table series and try something new this time. So in today's session, I'm planning to cover a formula called two row and two column. It's a new formula which was initiated in Excel. So let's see how to use that. For that, let's take some random data. For example, this is our data. And when you see, there are two lines of data for each individual. For example, serial number, first name and last name, address first, address one, address two, city and state, mobile and mail. For each individual, the data is situated in two lines. But when you do any reporting or any work on this particular data, it's not so good, right? So we want to have it in single line. So how you can get this particular data in a single line? Let's see that. So for that, we can use this formula called two row. So first of, let's get the headers. So I'll just select array, and whether you want to keep all the values or you want to ignore the blanks or ignore errors and ignore blanks and errors. In this particular data, we don't have any errors. So you have the blanks, whether you want to include this blank as is or you want to ignore that. I want to ignore my blanks. So I'll select one and scan by row, scan by column. Let's see how both the options behave. Scan by row means it will go A, B, C, D like that. Scan by column means it will go A1, A2, B1, B2 like that it will scan. So if I just select false by default, give me the same thing. Serial number, first name, address, city, mobile. But this is not the ideal thing we want. We want scan by column. So I'll select true. In that case, I'll get serial number, first name, last name, address one, address two, city, state, mobile, and email. So same formula if I apply it to the this particular row, two row, ignore blanks, and then scan by columns. If I do this, I get the data in a single row. Same formula I can apply for the second line as well. Or let's do one thing. Let's create an error over here. And this is the error we have now. So is equal to two row. This is the array I want. Now I'm ignoring both, ignore blanks and errors. And then scan by column again. So now if you see, the serial number is same, first name is same, last name is same, address one, but address two, ignore the blank, so ignore the error. That's why I'm getting city in address two column. So if you don't want this to happen, you can include the error as well. In that case, just ignore blanks and you will see the error over here. So that you can manually remove. If you want to eliminate the error, you can remove errors and blanks. So that is the two options we have. So this is a simple way to convert multiple lines of rows into single row. And similarly, we have a two column. Let's see how that formula works. For that, let's take one more example of data. This is some random data I have took. So I have serial numbers ranging from 2 to 89, and it's sitting in different columns. I don't know which numbers are like in order, which numbers are not in order. So I just want to see everything in a single column. So two column. This is the array I have. Ignore blanks. Obviously, we have a lot of blanks, so we have to ignore that. And scan by row means it will go like this: 2, 21, 41, 72, like that. So let's see how. 2, 21, 41, 72. The first row is first, second row is second, and like that. If you don't want it this way, you can go with scan by column. And then 2, 9, 15, 21. In that order, you will get it. Either you can choose scan by columns or scan by rows. Depending on the data requirement, you can choose that. Hope this helps. Thank you.